one, which the other, the first, or the other Beyblade Metal Fight that I've reviewed already, and box, spin test, and test battle. So let's have a battle with this one. Okay, so let's go. Let's try it. So this will be the second one. Okay, ready? 3, don't go. Okay. Okay. Okay, they're moving. But yeah. But yeah. Oh! Nice one. Okay. Let's see who will win this one. So the gold one is very nice, and it's been sprinkling all those color red paints of the other one. Yeah, the gold is already out of spin. Maybe that will be for the red, because yeah, I've launched the gold first. Okay, that's for the red. Okay, because I don't have a thing right here that can launch them together. Yeah, like just like this. Yeah, I don't have that. Okay, so let's have the red first and then the gold one. Okay, this will be the second. Okay, let's go. Ready, 3, don't go. And the gold one, ready, 3, don't go. Oh! Comes back. But yeah, it drains all of that spin. I don't know if I can come back and fight more with the red one. And yeah, this battle, man, it's very, very boring. Not like with the Beyblade X that you will be really get excited. So again, these are just bootleg ones or fake ones, so don't expect too much. Oh, still for the red one. Yeah, because it scrapes here. So another one and last for them. Okay, so the red one will still go first. Okay, ready, 3, don't go. Then the red, 3, don't go. Holy cow! It destroys the red. Goodbye, red. It destroys it. Wow, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Ah, another destroyed fake. But it's just a fake one. But I bought it, man, I bought it. But yeah, it's destroyed. So the metal here is strong than the other one. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Can. Yeah. Okay, so let's have the other Beyblade, and maybe it will be destroyed also. Okay, so